So there's a simple way to monetize your social media traffic, and I'm going to show you the three steps that you need to actually monetize social media traffic and earn real dollars doing it. So instead of waiting other monetization platforms, there's a platform that will give you instant approval to start promoting your social media traffic and earn money with it. This video is going to cover everything that you need to know. And if this video helps you, please like the video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. And of course, subscribe. My name is Noel. So we need to do some steps. We need to do two, three steps at most to actually put ourselves in a position to earn money online using social traffic. And social traffic simply means traffic on social media like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, anyone that you have. I'm going to show you the right steps to go about it. The first thing we need to do is that we need to go to the platform that would actually pay us for this traffic. And this platform is called Monetag. So I'm going to put the link in the description of this video, but you can just go to your website, just search for monetag.com, and you want to create an account inside of this platform. So this platform is a platform that would pay us money for the traffic that we generate on social media. So this is the first link here. So you click on it and you come to an interface like this one, and you can earn in several ways. If you have your website and you want to put ads on your website, they give you almost instant approval to do that. So if you have Telegram mini apps, you can also put ads there and make money. If you run paid traffic, you can too. If you run email campaigns, you can. If you have remnant ad or remnant inventory, you can. But today we are going to be focusing more on the social traffic, because getting traffic on social media is much easier than a host of all these other ones. So I'm going to show you the steps that you need to actually start making money using this platform. So the way to start is you want to come here, click on start earning, and you need to sign up. So signing up is very easy. You can use your Google account or your Gmail account, or you can just come here, put your first name, your email address, your country of residence. You can select any country because they are basically global. So you don't need a VPN for this. You don't have any restrictions here. So you can select, let's say, for me now, I am in Nigeria, so I can select Nigeria and I can just proceed. All right. So put your email address, you can put your contact option like WeChat, Facebook, WhatsApp, blah, 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 blah. All of them. You can add your phone number, and you may be required to verify your ID. So the fastest way is actually to just use your Google account, because you can just get instant access. So I already have an account, so I'm not going to create this account now. I'm just going to show you how to get into the backend and what the backend looks like and how we can position ourselves to start earning money. So if I come to Monetag again, I can just say login, and because I already have an account, I'll be logged in directly into the Monetag dashboard. So this is where the statistics, this is where you see all the traffic you have been getting and the CPM. So the CPM is how much you earn by a number of views that you get. All right. So here, this is where you can put your website. If you have a website, you can connect your website, generate links, and put ads on your website. If you have Telegram mini apps, this is where you can just put your app name and you can generate links to put there. We are going to focus more on direct links, and this is because these are called smart links and we can use them in different places at the same time. And here, this is where we have our payment. This is where you can actually receive the money that you earn. And you can receive money in a number of ways. You can receive through cryptocurrency, but you must earn a minimum of $100 before you can use cryptocurrency. For PayPal, you can withdraw from a $5 minimum, Skrill €5, and then Payoneer is 20 euros or $20. So in my case, I will in most cases use cryptocurrency. So if you wanted to add your address, you can just click on that and you can add your crypto wallet address. So you can use the Tron USDT, you can use Theta, you can use BEP. I think that's the Binance coin, and then you can use Stone coin, you can use Bitcoin if you wanted. In most cases, I would personally use Trust, which is the Tron USDT. You can put it right here and then you save it. That means you have added your payment method, and once you hit your threshold, they will send you the money to your account. So here, this is where you find your referral program. So they also have a referral program where you can refer people to use the platform. So this is basically how this app works, and it's important for you to add your correct information. All right. So if you do not add your correct information, you might not be able to get paid. So to add your correct information, you can come here, click on the settings here. You see the profile settings. You can come here, put your country of residence, in my case, Nigeria, put your city, your address, your first name, your email address, your phone number, and then you are good to go. All right. So now let's go to the main thing, which is to generate links for our social media traffic. So if you come to direct links here, you come to add a direct link. It will instantly create a link for you that you can use. So this is the link that we've created. So if you copy this link, and I want to show you how you can actually make money, or why this platform is paying you to do what you're about to do now. So if you come to incognito window and you paste that link, this link is going to take you to an advert. All right. So basically, this company, this is a trading company, they've paid this platform to help them get people or traffic, and you are basically helping the platform, help this platform to get traffic. I hope that makes sense. This is basically traffic arbitrage, if you know what I mean. All right. So this is the whole idea of what we are trying to do. So every time somebody lands on this page, then you get an impression, and then you can earn money for making somebody land on this page. So this link that we've created is going to be very important to us. All right. So we have done the first step, which is to create an account on this platform called Monetag, and then we've generated our smart link or our direct link. I want to use it purely for social media traffic. Again, social media traffic, these are traffic you have either on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, anywhere at all. But I'm going to use Facebook in this case, and you can use the same method for any of the platforms that you want to focus on. So I want to come to ChatGPT, and I tell ChatGPT to give me a topic that I can create posts around on Facebook. All right. So I gave it a prompt already, and it has given me some ideas of what to work with. All right. So it gave me some interesting ideas, but the prompt is very simple. You can just tell it to give you um topic ideas that you can use to promote maybe on Facebook. If you are doing Facebook like me, if you are doing TikTok, you can tell it TikTok. If you are doing Instagram, if you are doing Twitter, if you are doing LinkedIn, anywhere at all, well, I am using Facebook. So I want to get viral topic ideas, and it has given me some of them. All right. Why smart people are quitting social media and what they are doing. And I actually like this one. So it gives me like around 5 or 6 of them, or even 10 of them. But I like the first one. So what I want to do is I want to turn that first one into an article, and I want to publish this article on a website. And that takes us to the step 2 of what we need to do, which is to write an article, an engaging article that people would want to read. So I already told it to make me an article, and you can just, as you can see here, you can just tell it to turn it into an article for you, and also a Facebook post that you use to promote this article. So now it has written the article for me. So the article is somewhere down here. This is the article right now, and I want to publish this article somewhere. So to publish this article, we need to go to the step 2. So you can just come to Google again, just search for blogger.com. So this is a free publication website by Google that you can use for absolutely free. If you have your own blog, then you do not need this step. But if you do not have your own blog and you do not want to pay for a domain name and all of that, you can use Blogger for free. So if you come to Blogger, this is exactly how it is going to appear. And you just need to create your blog for free. And if you create your blog, you want to create a post. So this is a post that I already made about this topic that we want to promote. But if you wanted to create a new post, you can just come here, click on new post, and then you just want to put the title of your post right here, and then you want to put the body of your article. All right, so if you put the body of your article, this is where you actually embed the links that you want to use. So let me show you exactly how you can do that. So let's say I wanted to use this article. All right, so I can just copy everything from ChatGPT here, and you might want to read this and make sure that it is useful to people. So if I come here, I can just post this article. So this is the article, and the topic or the header of this article, I can just put it right there as the title. Again, which is important. I've already created it, but I'm just walking you through how to do it. So let's say I want to use this title in this case. All right. So I can just come here, put it as a title. All right. But we need to do one important thing, and that is we actually need to link our links inside of this article. And the way to do that is, let's say we want to put the link here. You can come here, just create some space by hitting enter on your computer. You come to this icon where we can insert or edit links. So let's say we want to say find out more information here. Then this is where we want to put our link. All right. So we want to come back to Monetag and want to copy the link that we created. Again, all our effort wants to push people back to this link right here. So this link is actually how you make any kind of money. And you simply say apply. So this is how it's going to show. So you can maybe align it to go to, maybe if you want it to go to the center or anything like that. But this is fine. Now, I also want to add an image so that this article will be a bit easy to read. So I came back to ChatGPT again at the bottom here, and then I told it to create an image that would fit. All right. So here I told it to create two images that would fit this post, and it gave me this interesting picture which I have downloaded. All right, so I can come back here and I can also try to insert a picture. So if I wanted to insert a picture or that image, I can just come here, say insert image, and then I can upload it directly from my computer. And if I come to browse, I should be able to see the picture, which is this one right here. So this picture is going to act as a cover for our article, and it's going to make our article more engaging so that people would easily or readily read it. So for the article or for the picture, you can make the size to be large so that it will be big enough. So we've basically published our article. After that, just come here, click on publish, and our article has been published. So if you click on view now, you see how our article is going to appear to the final reader or to the people. Of course, you can edit it and make it a bit more finer than this, but we want them to actually click on this link. So if they click on this link, it's going to take them to an advert. And the moment they land on this advert, this is basically considered impression. All right. And this is how you actually make the money. So now we've done the second step, which is publishing our post on Blogger. Now we want to go to Facebook, because Facebook is where we want to actually bring the traffic from. And there is a right way to do this and a wrong way. So I'm going to show you the right and the best way to do this so that Facebook doesn't block your links and they don't actually take down your account. So first, you want to go to your Facebook page. So I'm using this page in this case. So I want to come here. You want to create a page. I'm not going to walk you through that because it is very simple to do. So I want to come here on what's on your mind, and I want to write an engaging post that people would be interested in. So again, back to ChatGPT. ChatGPT has done the bulk of the job for me because it has also given me posts that I can use to promote this. And I like this second one, which is, it says, you open your phone for 5 minutes and somehow 1 hour disappears, blah, 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 blah. So I'm just going to copy this one. And this is what I want to use on Facebook. So I click copy. I want to come back to Facebook and I want to paste it right here. So here I want to just remove this body and then I want to keep it this way. All right. So as you can see, this is a very simple post that would actually engage people on Facebook. So I also want to put a picture so that people will even be more engaged. So if I come here, I want to use the same picture that I added in the article this way. And then all I have to do now is I want to publish this article or this post. So if I publish this post, it is now going to be public on Facebook. So as you can see, it is now public. Now, what most people do wrong is that they want to put their link somewhere here in the front of the text, but in most cases, Facebook is going to restrict or reduce your reach. So what you want to do is you want to come to the comments, all right? Remember, we said here that we shared exactly what happened, which is going to be in the comments, all right? So we want to come back to our blogger, and the post we created, we just want to copy that link. So the link is what we want to share in the comment section of our post. So when people read the first part of our post on Facebook, they want to go to the link and read even more. So you want to copy the link here. This is the link to our post, and you want to come back to your Facebook comments. You are doing this inside of the comment section, and you can just click on go. So after that, this is basically how it is going to appear. And after this, you can see the way it appears. People can now come here, click on it, and it's going to take them to the article that we have written about this. And as they read, they would be able to see what the information we are trying to share. But most importantly, again, if they click on this link, then they would be taken to this website where we can actually earn money. So once they land on this website, it will be tracked automatically and we can earn money with it. So these are the 3 steps that you actually need. All right. So if you come back to your direct links here, if you click on these links, after some times, you start to see the analytics, the statistics, the people that are landing, and how much you are currently earning. And this is how you can use this website, Monetag, to actually make money. So you can also join their group. They have a Facebook group where you can join to get even more information. And again, Monetag has been there for a while, so this is a very trusted platform. So this is how you can monetize your social link and earn money with it. So back on Facebook, you want to recreate this kind of post, and you want to create posts around that pushes people back to this article that you have written. And if you do it consistently, after some time, you get significant traction and you can earn tangible money using this platform and social traffic. I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section. My name is Noel. I'll see you in my next videos. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.